SUPERWURM Cocoon Harvester. If you breed worms, one of the biggest problems is to harvest the cocoons. A cocoon has a diameter of about 3 to 4 millimeters and can hardly be spotted within the worm casting. There might be only 200, 100, or even less cocoons in 1 liter of casting, which means you will have a lot of casting but little volume of cocoons. Once the worms are hatched within the casting, it becomes very difficult to get them out to raise them. To solve this problem, SUPERWURM has invented a cocoon harvester. The SUPERWURM Cocoon Harvester is a very compact machine which is completely designed and built by SUPERWURM. Many years of development of the hardware and software and a lot of practical experiments are behind this machine. It looks simple, but it is a high-tech machine which performs well under the extreme conditions of a worm farm. The worm casting is spread out and moved along the channel and falls down at the end like a waterfall. The falling casting is scanned by an industrial camera which sends the images to a computer. Custom software then identifies all the spots which look like worm cocoons. 24 high-speed valves are then used to separate out the cocoons by puffs of air while they pass by. The system can recognize all the different color shades of the cocoons. All this happens in the free fall of the worm casting. The SUPERWURM Cocoon Harvester has a flow rate of up to 4 liters of worm casting per minute. In separating out the cocoons, you can then store from 5,000 up to 8,000 worm cocoons in one single liter. This will save a lot of space, energy, and time in raising worms. Another big advantage of this machine is that you will lose much less cocoons because the machine harvests almost all cocoons which are in the worm casting. Catching those most people would miss with their own eyes.